Ang glooming ng weather today at ang sarap matulog. Pero buti na lang, ang pag-ibig ng Panginoon is always blooming, glowing, and fresh in the morning. By the way, sagutin natin yung comments sa comment section natin kung endorser ba daw tayo ni Cbank. Yes, we are endorser. And actually, ang tawag sa akin ng Cbank, nung kinuha nila ako as their influencer, nung miniting nila ako, ang tawag nila sa akin, one of their influencer, collaborator, or partners. Kapag nakaka-receive ako ng email sa kanila, tawag nila sa akin, hi partners. Yes, we endorse Cbank, we promote Cbank, and dahil po kasi bago pa nila kuhanin as their endorser or promoter or partner, we use already Cbank and gumagamit na talaga tayo. Kaya hindi po siya mahirap i-promote. But my partners or collaboration or nagiging promoter ng Cbank, it's not exclusive partnership po ha. So I am open naman po sa ibang digital banks. It's just that po kay Cbank, meron po akong privilege and benefits na binigay nila sa akin. Binigyan po nila ako ng advantage over sa mga regular Cbank user. Aside po sa mas mataas yung referral reward natin na 75 pesos, ang normal po kasi is 50 pesos. And we have high referees. Ibig sabihin po mas mataas po yung pwedeng gumamit ng aking referral code. It's not only 10 but more than that po. Binigyan po nila ako ng opportunity to earn more. Actually, nung na-over limit na nga po yung aking referral code, dinagdagan pa po nila. So we are very thankful kay Cbank. Well, syempre thankful tayo kay Lord kasi this is a favor galing sa Kanya. Kung interested po kayo kay Cbank, Cbank po is napaka-convenient na gamitin po na digital bank yan. You can open Cbank via App Store or Play Store, and don't forget po yung referral code. Pag nag-sign up po kayo, use March 26 so that you can get 75 pesos as referral reward. But don't forget po na mag-hold po kayo ng 1K for 3 days. And legit po, papasok po yung 75 pesos po niyo as your referral reward. And follow for more.